everybody, it's Tiffany with Miller's Mad Creations, and I'm going to show you how to import your planner and unzip your files that come along with it. I just updated my iPad to the new iOS 13, and with that update, it now lets you unzip a file without having to use a third-party app. Beforehand, I would use iZip to unzip a file, and it was just a little bit more complicated to do that. So first you're gonna download your files and then know where you saved them at. So mine I have saved right here. So I have my planner file, and then I have my zip file with my stickers and overlays. The planner is not zipped, so that is gonna be easy. To unzip the zip file, all we're gonna do is long press and then hit uncompress. And then there are your files all ready for you to use. Just that easy. Okay, so if you have not updated, which I don't know why you wouldn't update, but if you haven't, you would have to hold down, see if I can do it the old way. Oh, if you click on it, if you double click, it'll obviously open it that way too. Let's see, okay. Before you would just open it up and you would copy it into iZip, and then you would open and save it into folders that way. Okay, so I'm using the Goodnotes5 app. So all you're gonna do is hit new, and we're gonna hit import. And then again, you're gonna go find where your planner is, and it's gonna upload. Now if you want, you can give it a name and change it or whatever if you want, whatever you wanna do. Okay, so if you don't have these options right here, click this little pencil icon and that'll give you all your options. Okay, so the first page of your planner, since this is undated, you can just come in here and every year and put the year or whatever it is you want to put. Here's your index page, and it's easy to view all your months all at one time. All of these tabs are clickable, and will also bring you to a month. So like we're in September right now, so the first thing that you're gonna do whenever you get a new planner is set it up. And the way that I've set this up by default is just you have your tabs or sections, and then in each section you have a monthly view of your calendar. Now I've included extra pages, so I have a blank page. Here's your blank monthly. Here is your year at a glance. Here's your horizontal weekly view, a vertical weekly view. Here's meal planner and a shopping list page, a birthday list with gifts, where you can write down gift ideas. Christmas wishes, this is where you can write down Christmas ideas and stuff for your kids and other people. Just will make your life easier. Here is a financial planner, a weekly habit tracker, and then I have notes, and I have these in the notes section as well. I have line papers, I have papers that look like notebook paper, some graph paper, some dot grids, and then you have 5 extra sections that are blank that you can move pages to and then rename if you want to use these and organize them however you want. You have a sticker page, and this is where the zip file is, all your stickers and overlays. This is where you can save them, that way you can access them really quick. So to do that, we're just going to hit the little image button right here, and then we're going to insert. You're going to find where it is. Here's my folder of my stickers. I have some that are not cropped. If you want to just use, like, I'll show you. If you want to use this like as a checklist or something, you can do that. They're not cropped. So you can just use those, put them wherever. I mean, they're cropped, but they're all connected. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Here are the ones that are separated. So see, these are the same ones, but they're separated. So if you want to use them as, you know, headers or whatever, you can. And then we have, let's see, you have your months and stuff. So if you want abbreviated months, you just bring those in. And then we have your full months. So we're going to bring that in also. and I'm going to show you how to use these in a minute. And then you also have you have some hydration stickers, and these are pre-cropped. And there's also a vertical one. I meant horizontal. Okay, and here are a whole list of commonly used phrases and stuff. So you'll just pull these in. Okay, so say, let me find the sticky notes real quick too. Here are your sticky notes. Okay, so let's go back to September. So the first thing that I want to do is set up my month. So I'm going to import, and you have two options to do that. You can come over here and you can find the individual number if you want to put them in one by one and then place them wherever you want, which can be time consuming and kind of annoying if you have trouble lining things up and getting it like that. Another option, you can write in your numbers and stuff if you want. I made things easier for you. I created a monthly overlay, so you can just go down here and find your whole month overlay, and you pick whatever day that the first starts on. So like if September starts on the 1st, you're going to come over here and you're just going to bring it up to the size that you need, and you're going to play with it until you get it lined up to your liking. And there you go. And then you're going to go in here and you're going to find your months if you want your full months, and you can either import it that way, or I'm going to show you what you can do since we've already put it in our stickers. We are going to go back to our sticker page, and you can see I already have September already there. So I'm going to go get my lasso tool, and I'm going to make sure that it will pick up an image. So depending on what you want to do will depend on if you have all these on or one of these on. If you just want to pick up handwriting, then you're going to turn these off. But we want images, so just circle, and then you're going to hold down on it and you're going to copy. And then you're going to go back to your month, and you're going to hold down and you're going to paste. And just move it wherever you want it. If you want it here, or if you would like to have it down here, you can, or you can use this box to write stuff in. Whatever you want to do, it's totally customizable. So whatever you want to do. So once you start getting your months and stuff set up, then you have these tools up here. Again, you can write, you can erase, you can use a highlighter, you can draw out some shapes, you can import pictures and images if you want. You also can do text. So to do that, you're going to come over here, you can make it as big as you want, you can make it whatever font you want, and you're just going to type it and move it around, and there you go. Okay, the next thing we need to do is decide what pages we want in our planner. So we're going to hit this little icon with the 4 squares, and if you scroll down, you'll see all the extra pages, the blank pages. So if you decide you like the horizontal weekly view, you're going to come over here and duplicate it, and then you're just going to take the duplicate image and drag it up to wherever you want it. So I'm going to put it behind my monthly view in September. Now if I go to September, I've got my monthly view, I've got my weekly view, and then you can just do that with all these different pages, however you like. So just make sure you don't delete the original. Make sure you always duplicate, and also make sure you don't ever delete any of these pages with the sections or the tabs, because once you do that, it'll get everything out of order and it won't work the right way. I think that pretty much covered up setting up your new planner. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to contact me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. And thank you for watching, and have a great day.